Are you ready to stop just listening to music and start experiencing it? What if one elegant device could completely transform your home audio, delivering breathtaking sound with effortless control? Well, prepare yourselves, because today we're diving deep into the WiiM Amp Ultra with Voice Remote 2. This isn't just another streaming amplifier. It's a meticulously crafted centerpiece designed to bring audiophile-grade performance and smart connectivity into your living space. Forget cluttered setups and complicated menus. The WiiM Amp Ultra promises simplicity, power, and intelligence, all wrapped up in a stunning silver unibody aluminum case. Let's talk power and precision. At its heart, the WiiM Amp Ultra is a beast, pushing a robust 100 watts per channel. But it's not just about raw power, it's about clean power. Inside, you'll find premium ESS Sabre DACs working in harmony with dual Texas Instruments TPA3255 amplifiers and PFFB technology. What does this alphabet soup of components mean for you? It means an astonishingly low distortion of -106 dB THD plus N. This isn't just a number. It translates directly into sound that is incredibly detailed, dynamic, and pure. Every guitar strum, every vocal nuance, every deep bass line is rendered with breathtaking clarity, free from coloration or noise. This amplifier doesn't just drive your speakers. It allows them to truly sing, uncovering hidden layers in your favorite tracks you never knew existed. Whether you're powering demanding floor-standing speakers or crafting an immersive home theater, the WiiM Amp Ultra delivers an expansive, immersive soundstage that will leave you speechless. Now, here's where the WiiM Amp Ultra gets truly smart. We all know that every room sounds different. Rugs, furniture, wall materials, they all impact your audio. But with the built-in RoomFit room correction, those worries vanish. This intelligent system doesn't just guess. It actively analyzes your room's acoustics and your specific speakers, then auto-calibrates the sound for a perfectly balanced listening experience. Imagine walking into any space, and your music instantly sounds like it's been professionally tuned for that exact environment. No more boom and bass, no more shrill highs, just pure, optimized audio tailored precisely to your unique setup. It's like having a personal sound engineer making real-time adjustments, ensuring you get the absolute best performance every single time, without lifting a finger. This feature alone is a game-changer for anyone who values pristine sound in their home. And finally, let's talk about living in the future. The WiiM Amp Ultra boasts next-gen connectivity with Wi-Fi 6 for ultra-fast, rock-solid streaming, Bluetooth 5.3 with LE audio for high-quality wireless headphones, and crucially, HDMI ARC. This means seamless, single-cable integration with your TV, transforming your movie nights and gaming sessions with incredible audio, all controlled with your existing TV remote. But the convenience doesn't stop there. Front and center is a gorgeous 3.5-inch glass-covered touchscreen display. This intuitive interface isn't just for show. It gives you immediate access to system settings, volume control, and perhaps my favorite part, beautiful album art displayed prominently. It's elegant, functional, and makes interacting with your music a tactile pleasure, turning a simple amplifier into a statement piece. The WiiM Amp Ultra isn't just an upgrade. It's a revolution in home audio. It combines raw power, audiophile-grade components, intelligent room correction, and cutting-edge connectivity into a single, stunning package. It's for those who demand uncompromising sound quality, effortless control, and a sleek design that complements any modern home. This is more than just an amplifier. It's an invitation to rediscover your music collection, to feel every beat, and to truly immerse yourself in sound. Are you ready to elevate your audio experience to new heights? To transform your living space into an acoustic haven? Don't just take my word for it. Check out the WiiM Amp Ultra for yourself. You can find the link to learn more and purchase in the description below.